what this science is, y'all. So, I do all this running. I'm in Missouri right now. Let me see what part of Missouri I'm in. It ain't telling me. Everybody. Oh, I'm in Cameroon. I'm in Cameron, Missouri. So I get here. On the way here, I thought I was gonna be able to just drop my load, get a new load. They called me since I'm way ahead on time. Like I said, it delivers tomorrow on the 28th. I'm already here. I'm within 200 miles of my delivery. But they called me and was like, well, I got somebody coming. You could swap with them and they'd give you an extra 100 miles or so. So I said, okay. Because at first it was 337. It's going to be about 440 something miles altogether. So I'm going to run like an extra 100 miles or so. Like 300 more miles, something like that. I guess the load is due tomorrow or some other time. But whatever it is, whoever this person is, I gotta wait on him so I can swap trailers. So it is what it is. I'm here. I got my money up for the day. I got 6 hours and 23 minutes. I'm in off-duty status. I'm just sitting here waiting. So it's what it is when you out here running, man. You gotta do what you gotta do when it comes to making your money. Ain't nobody gonna make it for you, and ain't nobody gonna give you no money for free. Ain't nothing free in this world. You have to work. You have to work hard to get what you want. What I want right now is a wooden comb. My face dry. I should have put some oil on it today, but I didn't. And it's too late now because I've already been running. So now, I'm just waiting. I did my job, so that's it for me right now. So how y'all doing? This is a lot going on, man. See all the stuff that's going on in the world today, man? President finna go to jail. Nah, man, but shit. This is what I'm gonna be doing, man. Every day, I'm gonna be out here doing my thing. Look at the scenery at this piece. Hold on. Let me take this thing off. There we go. So, I can't even turn the camera around, but this is where I'm at. This is part of Missouri. Same old, a truck stop. That's it. And Mr. Man right here. Yeah. I let him out to go use the bathroom, one thing, and he got to take a number two. He just want to not run off, but he just want to see what he could get to. Oh, man. Yeah, man, I started at like 5 this morning, so I got 6 hours left and my day is done, and it's already 11:45, so that's what it is when you're out there to make money. Don't let nothing stop you. When there's money involved, don't let nothing stop you. You know what I mean? If it's something that you can go without it. What's the difference? You know what I mean? But before anything, make sure you do what you gotta do. Alright, y'all. Ain't much going on today. I gotta get the right camera for when I'm out there, recording. I'm just using my phone right now, but I had that other one. Hands ashy, huh? Yeah. Got that bleach stain on my sweatshirt, but it's alright. I mean, for the most part, it's good being out. It's good being away, because sometimes, life just deal you crazy stuff, and you got to be able to, stand up to it, answer to it. So that's all I'm doing. I ain't got nothing really going on. I can't wait till I have something to post. Do some videos and do some vlogging or whatever they call it. One day I'm going to go to my old club and I'm just going to show out in there. We're going to be out there talking it up. Yeah, but yeah, ain't too much to talk about right now. Alright, y'all.